Hi students, in last class we have completed NCERT exemplar problems up to 45. Now we will do from 46th bit. So what is the 46th bit? Match the structures of compounds given in column 1 with the classes of compounds given in column 2. What they given in column 1? First one CH3, CH, X, CH3. That one can be written as CH3, CH, CH3X. Here this halogen atom is bonded with sp3 hybridized carbon. Hence, what is this? It is the alkyl halide. Okay, this first option is alkyl halide, that is B. 1 is B. Then, what is the second option? CH2 double bond CH, CH2X. Then here this group is called as allyl. It is a halogen atom, hence it is the allyl halide. Where is that one? Here allyl halide, that is second one is D. Next, third option C6H5X. Here halogen atom is attached to benzene nucleus, aryl group, hence it is aryl halide. Hence here where is aryl? This one is A, that is third bit is A. Then fourth one is CH2 double bond CHX. So this group is called as vinyl, here halide, hence it is vinyl halide. Then fourth one is where is vinyl halide? This one, C. This first is B, second D, third A, fourth C. Where is this option? Here first 1 B, 2 D, 3 A and 4 C. Hence which option is correct one? First is the correct option. Okay. Next bit. Again they given different reactions. Match the reactions given in column 1 with the types of reactions given in column 2. What is the first option? C6H5Cl, which is react with FeCl3 or AlCl3. C6H5Cl, which is react with iron and chlorine. Then it gives orthodichlorobenzene and paradichlorobenzene. Which type of this reaction? It is the altrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay. So it is because here this is the aromatic compound aryl halide involved halogenation. So here halogenation takes place through electrophiles, hence it is the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay. So in that one, which option that one? First one nucleophilic aromatic substitution, no. B is electrophilic aromatic reaction. So it is the B option. That's to first bit, B is the correct answer. Next second bit, CH3, CH double bond, CH2 plus HBr. This rise to CH3, CH, Br, CH3. This is here The given this reaction CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HBr, it gives rise to isopropyl bromide. So isopropyl bromide. So this reaction belongs to here which type of reaction? This one. First one, nucleophilic aromatic substitution, no. Electrophilic aromatic substitution, no. Sedgwick elimination, no. Electrophilic addition, that is the D. And here third one E is nucleophilic substitution. Is it nucleophilic substitution? No, it is the electrophilic addition. So here it is the electrophilic addition because electrophile can add it to this carbon. Next negative charge is added to this carbon. Thus it is the electrophilic substitution. Where is that one? Which option? First option is nucleophilic. No. B is electrophilic aromatic reaction. It is not aromatic. Next C is Sedgwick elimination. No. Next one is electrophile addition. So it is the electrophile addition reaction. Thus the second one is D. So here which rule is involved? Markovnikov's rule involved. Markovnikov's rule is example for electrophilic addition reaction. Okay. Then third one, C6H5 CHI, here CH3 OH minus, then we get here CH3 CHOH. Here I minus is replaced by OH minus, that means nucleophilic substitution reaction, and it is the aromatic compound now. Thus here this is nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth one? Cl, here NO2, which is react with the NaOH, gives rise to OH NO2. So this one Cl minus is replaced by OH minus ions because NaOH is dissociated as Na plus and OH minus ions. Cl minus ion is replaced by OH minus ion on aromatic ring. Thus here this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. And fifth one is, what is the fifth one? CH3 CH, CH3 CH2 CH Br CH3. The alcoholic KOH, it gives CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. So here elimination takes place. Here Br minus and here H plus removed and a new bond is developed between these two carbon atoms. Thus we get 2-butane. So it follows which rule? Sedgwick rule. Hence this reaction is involved Sedgwick elimination. Thus here this is the Sedgwick rule. Sedgwick one. This is the nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay. And thus here the first one is B, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Second one is this is the electrophilic addition reaction, and third one is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here this one, because here after removing I minus, then carbon gets positive charge. It is a carbocation, no? Thus it follows SN1 reaction. It is a nucleophilic substitution reaction, mononuclear nucleophilic substitution reaction. That means SN1 reaction. Next, fourth one, this is the Cl minus is replaced by OH minus ions. Thus nucleophilic substitution reaction, and it is the aromatic compound. Hence nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction. That is A. And fifth one is this elimination involves Sedgwick rule. Thus fifth one is where is the set-F rule? This is a C. So where is this option? First one 1B, 2C. This is wrong now. First option. C second option 1B, 2D, 3E, 4A and 5C. Hence the second option is the correct answer. Okay. Next bit. Here they given different compounds. Match the structures given in the column 1 with the names in the column 2. First molecule can be written as CH3, CH double bond, CH, here CHBr, CH3. This only now. CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHBr, here CH3. Then we have to give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on fourth carbon what is there? Bromine is there. That's 4 bromo. Next, how many bonds are there? Total carbons 5 are there. Pent. Next, double bond is present on second carbon, 2 ene. Just 4 bromo, pent 2 ene. Yes, here first bit is where is this one? 4 bromo, pent 2 ene, first only. Thus, A is the correct one for first bit. Then second bit, CH3, CH double bond, C, here CH3, here C, CH3, Br, here hydrogen is there. Then here you can start from here, first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth, but double bond is on the third carbon. This way is wrong now, because if you start from here 1, 2, second carbon only gets double bond carbon, hence you can give the numbering from left to right, but not right to left. Then here what is the name? On fourth carbon bromine is there. Thus here is the 4 bromo. Next here methyl group is present on third carbon, 3 methyl. Next total 5 carbons, pent 2 ene, because 5 carbons are there, pent double bond is present on second carbon, hence 2 ene, pent 2 ene. Is the name. Where is that one? 4 bromo, 3 methyl, pent 2 ene. Okay, that is the second one is B. Okay, next third one. What is that third one? CH3, CH double bond, CH, here CH3, this is the Br. Then here double bond 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 bromo, 2 bromo, but 2 ene. Okay, but in the given options that is not there. Okay, thus this is the printing mistake, because here if you give the numbering from this side 1, 2 carbon gets double bond, from this side also second carbon gets this one now 1 2 3 here in this structure CH3 CH double bond here CH. Next here to this one more carbon is there, that is the CH3 CH double bond CH, here CH CH3 Br. Then now 1 2 3 4 5. So when you observe this one, here both are same only no, then 4 bromo, here pent 2 in, because on fourth carbon Br is there, 4 bromo. Okay, total number of carbons 5, pent double bond is present on second carbon, hence 2 in. So both are same only here. Where is that one? In given options not there now. This one 4 bromo pent 2 in. If you observe, both first and third same only no, same options, they given same molecules. If you change these two positions, here Br, here CH3, that only no, so these two are same, thus they have same name no, thus for the third option also should be A only. Okay, otherwise if it is not there, this one, if this one is not there, then it will become another compound, but they given same compounds, hence these two options have same name, that is 4 bromo pent 2 in, that is third is also A. Then fourth one, what is that fourth one? Br CH2 C CH3 double bond CH CH2 CH3. This one given 1 2 3 4 5 carbons. Okay, then on first carbon bromine is there, 1 bromo. Then on second carbon, here methyl group is present, 2 methyl. Total number of carbons are 5, hence pent double bond is present on the second carbon, hence 2 in. 1 bromo 2 methyl, total number of carbons 5, pent 2 in. Where is this option? 1 bromo 2 methyl, here pent 2 in. So which option this one? This is the D. Thus fourth one is D option. This is the correct one. Okay, in options there is no correct one, because they given here two same compounds, that's why this is a printing mistake. Correct answer is this one. Okay, next bit. Match the reactions given in column 1 with the names given in column 2. Here reactions given and the name of that reactions. What is the first one? Aryl halide react with alkyl halide. Aryl halide X plus alkyl halide in the presence of sodium, it gives alkyl benzene. This reaction is called as Woods-Fittig reaction, because Woods means alkyl halide, Fittig means aryl halide. Both are there means 1 mole that one, 1 mole aryl halide means it is the Woods-Fittig. Where is in that option? B, that is the Woods-Fittig reaction. Second one. Then what is the second equation? Here aryl halide given, it is react with sodium in the presence of ether, then we get biphenyl. What is this name of this reaction? It is the Fittig reaction now, hence where is that option? First one, A. Next, third equation, C6H5 N2X plus here minus Cu2X2. It gives aryl halide plus N2. What is the name of this reaction? Yes, Sandmeyer reaction. Where is Sandmeyer? Here, D. And fourth one is C6H5 Cl plus NaI in the presence of dry acetone. It gives alkyl iodide, that is C2H5I plus NaCl. Then here this is the preparation of iodides now. It is called as a Finkelstein reaction. Where is that one? Finkelstein reaction, C. That's the fourth one is C. This is the correct one. First B, second A, third D, fourth C. Here is the options. Okay, so here in our textbook that answer is second option. There is no here given options, they given it is as a second option. That's which option is correct one? Second one is the correct one. Okay, 1 mole of aryl halide, 1 mole of alkyl halide gives alkyl benzene. It is the Woods-Fittig reaction. Here 2 moles of aryl halide and reacted with sodium in the presence of ether, then we get biphenyl. It is the Woods, that is a Fittig reaction, Fittig only. Next, it is the Sandmeyer reaction, and last one is preparation of alkyl iodides. It is the Finkelstein reaction. Okay, the second option is the correct one. Next one, assertion and reason type bits. Assertion: phosphorus chlorides, trichlorides and pentachlorides are preferred over thionyl chloride from the preparation of alkyl chlorides from alcohols. That is the first assertion statement. Is it correct? No, because thionyl chloride is the best reagent for the preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols. Why? Because if you take alcohols which is react with thionyl chloride SOCl2, then here alkyl chlorides formed SO2 and HCl formed SO2 and HCl. Here these two are gaseous products, thus they can easily evaporated, escaped from the reaction vessel. Then we have alkyl chlorides only. Thus we get a pure alkyl chlorides in this one. Thus it is the best method for the preparation of alkyl chlorides, but not phosphorus tri or pentachlorides. Okay, thus assertion is wrong. Then reason: phosphorus chlorides give pure alkyl halides. Is it correct? No. Thionyl chloride gives pure alkyl chlorides. Thus both are wrong. What is the first one? Assertion and reason both are correct. That is wrong. Assertion and reason both are wrong statements. Hence it is the correct answer. Okay. Next bit. Assertion: the boiling points of alkyl halides decrease in the order of alkyl iodides, alkyl bromides, alkyl chlorides and alkyl fluorides. Correct only. Okay, it's the boiling order. Reason: the boiling points of alkyl chlorides and bromides and iodides are considerably higher than that of the hydrocarbon of comparable molecular mass. That also correct, but that reason is not correct explanation of assertion A. Both are correct only, but it cannot explain the boiling point order of this one. Thus, which option is correct? Both are correct, and reason is correct explanation. Is it correct explanation? No. Both are wrong, not correct one. Assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. That is also not correct one. Assertion is wrong, but reason is correct. That also not correct. Assertion and reason both are correct statements, but reason is not correct explanation of A, because even though they have high molecular mass of hydrocarbon, corresponding hydrocarbon, but here strong forces are present, hence boiling point is decreases. Okay, that is the correct explanation. Thus, which option is correct one? Fifth option is the correct one. Okay. Next bit, assertion. KCN reacts with methyl chloride to give methyl isocyanide. KCN, methyl CH3Cl react with KCN, then which product will form here? K plus Cn minus, CH3 plus Cl minus. These both are combined together, removed as a KCl. Then Cn minus is attacked on a methyl group. Thus CH3 Cn plus KCl. Methyl cyanide formed. But in assertion they given methyl isocyanide. So assertion is wrong. Okay, we get methyl cyanide, which is the methyl cyanide, not isocyanide. So assertion is wrong. Reason, Cn minus is an ambidentated nucleophile. This is correct one, because here on carbon minus charge is there, on nitrogen lone pair of electrons available. Thus it is the ambidentated nucleophile, means it can attack on the carbon, it has the ability to attack the carbon. Okay, either can attack, but KCN is more ionic. This is the more ionic one. Hence Cn, this carbon attacked on this carbon. Thus we get cyanides. Even though it is ambidentated nucleophile, but C minus is attacked on this CH3. Thus the reason is correct only, but assertion is wrong. Where is that option? This one. Assertion is wrong, but reason is correct only. Okay. Next bit. Assertion. Tertiary butyl bromide undergoes Woods reaction to give 2233 tetramethyl butane. What they given here? Woods reaction. Tertiary butyl bromide. Take tertiary butyl bromide. CH3C, CH3, CH3Br. Tertiary butyl bromide undergoes Woods reaction. Means 2 moles of alkyl halides react with sodium metal in the presence of ether. Then here NaBr is removed. Then 2 alkyl groups are combined together to form a new product. CH3, CH3. Here C, CH3, CH3, CH3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This only no. 2, 2. Here on second carbon 2 methyl groups are there, and on third carbon also 2 methyl groups. So same only no. Total how many are there? 4 are there. Hence tetra. What are they? Methyl. How many carbons are there? 4. But. And single bonds are there. Hence A. 2, 2, 3, 3. Tetramethyl butane formed. Correct only no. Assertion. Tertiary butyl bromide undergoes Woods reaction. It gives 2, 2, 3, 3. Tetramethyl butane. Assertion is correct. Reason, in Woods reaction, alkyl halides reacted with sodium. Then here It forms to give hydrocarbon containing double number of the carbon atoms present in the halide. That's only no. Here some N